Hey everyone, welcome to another live from the workshop, and this is going to be another 3 3/4 custom Dalek. For this one I'm going to be doing a take on the Classic Guard livery. I'm not usually a fan of new series Daleks and classic variants, but I found a picture of a kind of hybrid of a new series Dalek. It had a slight new series look around the head and things, but it had the Classic Guard body. And I just thought I'd give this a try and see what it comes out like. I have no idea if it's going to work or not. So yeah, let's get to this. And there is my finished new series style guard. Again, quite small, so yeah, pretty pleased with it. Just thought I'd do something a bit different. Yeah, there's not really much more to say about that, to be honest. So, as always, I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, favourite, subscribe, share, it really helps me out a lot. And I shall see you all with another video very soon.